I hope you take a moment to read this message with an open heart because every word I write comes from the deepest part of my soul. I have been holding on to so many emotions, so much love, and an unshakable desire to express just how much you mean to me. You are my heart's greatest treasure, my most precious blessing, and the woman who gives meaning to my life. Thea, I love you with a depth that words could never fully capture. You are the first thought that fills my mind when I wake up, and the last when I close my eyes at night. When I say I love you, it's not just a sentiment, it's a promise and declaration of how much we have become a part of me. My every heartbeat echoes your name, my every breath whispers prayers for our happiness, and my every thought revolves around you. I need you to know something important. I truly care about you more than word can say. You are not just my wife, you are my partner, my safe place, and the light that guides me. I care for your happiness, your comfort, and your peace of mind more than I care for my own. Your smile is the greatest word, and seeing you happy feels like the world is in perfect harmony. Tia, I deeply desire for us to be together, not just in the physical sense, but in every way that matters, in heart, in mind, and in spirit. I long for a life where we are by each other's side, sharing every joy, every challenge, and every little moment. I want us to build a future together, a life full of laughter, love, and memories so beautiful they could fill the heaviness. I know life hasn't been easy, and there may have been moments when we left the weight of the world on our shoulders. But you love, but my love, we are stronger together. I believe in us, in our love, and in the power we have to overcome anything as long as we hold on to each other. I don't just want to be your husband in name. I want to be the man who supports you, cherishes you, and makes you feel safe and adored every single day. I also want you to know that I admire your strength, your kindness, and the beauty of your soul. You have a way of making everything around you brighter, of filling the empty spaces with love and warmth. You inspire me to be a better man, Thea, and I am endlessly grateful for you. Sometimes when I think of you, I feel a bittersweet itchy in my heart, a mix of the overwhelming love I have for you and the longing to be closer to you. I want you to feel the warmth of my love, to know that no matter where we are or what happens, my heart will always be yours. If I could, I would move mountains for you. I would gather the stars and place them at your feet just to see you smile. You deserve every happiness, every joy, and every blessing this world can offer, and that want to be the one who gives it all to you. Thea, please know that this message is not just a collection of words. It's my heart laid bare. It's my way of saying I love you more than anything in this world. I don't want to rush you or make you feel pressured. I simply want you to know how deeply I feel and how much I believe in the love we share. I trust that Allah has blessed our future union and pray every day for Him to guide us, protect us, and bearing us closer whatever challenges we face. I am ready to face them with you. Together we are unstoppable and our love can conquer anything. You are my everything, Dia, my heart, my soul, my greatest gift. I love you more than words will be ever be able to express.